Airbus quarantined Wuhan and central China.
Together, we faced a global health crisis of truly historic proportions. 2020 was an exceptionally difficult year for everyone. Hundreds of thousands of people have died. Many more have suffered. And the wider social and economic consequences will be felt for years to come.
Flights have been cancelled.
Trains, flights,
Suspending planes and trains in and out.
suspending flights in foreign countries.
Team Airbus acted quickly to protect our people and our business. We adapted our production system. The Airbus teams found new ways to pioneer and innovate to help society. We deepened relationships with customers, suppliers, and partners to understand and adapt to the new market environment. And never stopped encouraging the flying public to keep trust in air travel. In spite of this unique crisis situation, Airbus delivered. Airbus is a driving force towards a worldwide industry recovery, working hand in hand with our sector's international organizations, customers, suppliers, and partners. In 2021, we will continue the deep transformation of our company. We will remain agile, focused on competitiveness. We will stay true to our purpose, so we can continue to invest, innovate, and grow. Airbus will lead the industry towards the exciting future of decarbonized aviation and continue to pioneer sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world.